HSK9, Radio Thailand World Service. Broadcasting from Bangkok, listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
This is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีครับ Today is Tuesday, April 3rd, 2018, and this is Radio Thailand News Hour. I'm Benjamin Ruchopakan.
And I'm Paul Ruchopakan.
Making the national headlines. The Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation warns residents in the northern, northeastern, eastern, and central provinces of heavy downpours. Meanwhile, the northern provinces continue working to reduce air pollution. On the business agenda, the Ministry of Commerce encourages gem and jewelry business operators to take part in its program to further expand the value of the industry. We'll now take a look at those top headlines and many more in detail.